Hey guys, Jefferson here with Sumigang Productions. And in this video, we're gonna talk about this thing right here. Oh, not the TV, the actual TV mount. I bought this around January of this year, and when I got it, it was about $14. It's currently running on Amazon for $18, which is still not a bad price. You're apparently able to tilt this mount 7 degrees, but personally, it doesn't feel secure. It's very wobbly, and at first, it was very scary, but after 10 months of usage, I don't have much complaints. The total weight this claims to hold is up to 115 pounds and fits a 23 to a 55-inch TV. The mount is currently holding my 4K 55-inch Toshiba Fire TV, which weighs about 33 pounds. So if the marketing is true, it's able to hold a very heavy TV. You have 2 strings that hangs in the bottom of the TV. They're used to remove the TV from the mount. In my opinion, it requires a 2-person team so you could properly remove the TV without damaging it. It is a little difficult to remove, but once you do it once or twice, you tend to get used to removing it and putting it back on. The little teeth on the back that secures the TV mount onto the actual bracket is a little flimsy and small. In my opinion, it doesn't look too secure, so if you have a kid that likes to pull things down from the wall, I would recommend getting something a little bit more beefier and more secure. Otherwise, if you're not planning on having anyone touch the TV, you should be fine. So after 10 months of usage, here's my take on it. It protrudes more than I want it to, but for the price, I really can't complain. And so far, I haven't had much issues with it. So, should you buy this TV mount? Yeah, why not? It's only $18 and it does what you want it to do. I currently have it mounted where the side profile is very visible, yet it doesn't really take away from the design and overall look of your room aesthetics. If you have it mounted anywhere in your wall where you can't really see the side profile, I would say yes, most definitely get it. If it's not much of a hassle, I would love it if you use the link in the description box below. It's an affiliate link to my Amazon profile, and it gives me a small kickback and helps me make more videos like this. If you found this video helpful, or if you just like it, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a great day.